Hurricane Melissa left many homes damaged, but recovery starts here. Our architectural team designs with purpose, creating modern, efficient spaces built for comfort and strength. From concept to construction, we make your vision buildable and ready for real life. Our general construction services cover every stage of your project, from the foundation up. With skilled craftsmen and reliable supervision, we guarantee quality that lasts through every storm. Whether it's new builds, extensions, or structural repairs, we bring strength, precision, and trust to every job site. Sometimes, a home just needs a fresh start. Our renovation services breathe new life into existing spaces, transforming what was damaged into something even more beautiful. From detailed finishes to complete makeovers, we help homeowners move forward with confidence, ready for the next chapter. Melissa may have left her mark, but together we'll build back better. Immaculate maintenance and construction, reliable, resilient, ready to rebuild. Contact us today and take the first step toward your new beginning.